Hey everyone, EZ Street's here at the big Piney Sportsman's Club in Texas County, Missouri, where we are going to show Potholes who's boss.
It's not a club that has high membership dues. It's a club that's taken care of by the membership. So it makes it special in that aspect that we're able to enjoy shooting sports at a cost that is affordable for everyone in the family.
We were getting potholes in our road, and unless you got a truck, we all drive around them. Yeah.
We donated the material so we can help them get prepared for the Steel Challenge here tomorrow.
Steel Challenge is a handgun / pistol caliber carbine match. You shoot each target one time as fast as you can, and the trick to it is that you have to shoot the stop plate last.
Almost everybody has some kind of gun that's qualified to shoot Steel Challenge.
It's always fun to get out here and shoot, and it's just a boss.
You know, you drive up and the place looks like it's maintained and they've got a nice road. You arrive in a good mood.
We are about to show Potholes who's boss.
All kinds of people compete in this. You know, when you come into a club, what you see makes an impression on people.
Big rainstorm just came through a little while ago and downpoured on us. And the beauty thing about EZ Street is that you can use it in water, so that's not going to stop us from patching.
What surprised me about the installation was the cold process. I had visions of the machine that comes in and it's hot. And right after we get it down, you can use it. Well, that's a bonus. You can use it right away. You don't have to wait 2 days or whatever. Having a nice road and have those potholes filled in, it makes it nicer. The club is extremely appreciative of that.
EZ Street, always workable, always stays in the hole, always saves money.